So we are going to conduct an experiment on free jet and wall jet. Now, in free jet, the diagram looks like this. There are mainly four regions: potential core, transition zone, developed zone, and termination zone. In this potential core, the velocity moves like this. In the center, the velocity is more, you can see, compared to top. In the transition zone, the velocity is compresses here. The zone compresses, keeps going compressing. Okay. Now in the free jet, in the wall jet, there is a wall. From that we are finding out the values. We are going to conduct the experiment and we'll show you. Now the observation in the free jet is diameter of the nozzle jet is 40 mm. The velocity of the jet is 40 meter per second. In the tabular column, we are going to conduct 4 to 5 trials, but we wrote here only 3. Here, the distance from jet along the axial side in mm, that is 50 mm, 100 mm and 150 mm. We are going to show you how to do this. And the distance along the radial side, the direction is, we have to take readings for each 5 millimeter. In one trial, in 50 there are 5 trials, in 100 there are 5, in 155, 205, and we have to find out the velocity for each 5 millimeter, and we have to draw the graph, position versus velocity. And same way we have to do for wall jet. The diameter of the nozzle jet is 40 mm. The velocity of the jet is 40 meter per second. And the atmospheric manometer reading, we have to calculate that. Now, there are 2 positions in this, x1 and x2. This is 21.5 centimeter away from the nozzle, and this is 7.5. This is closer and this is far from this. There are 10 positions, 10 to 13 positions. We have to take down the manometer reading, and we have to find out the delta H. Delta H is this minus this. We'll show you. This is the pressure and the velocity. For pressure, rho gh, and velocity square root of 2gh. And we have to do for position versus velocity in the steady wall jet. This is the free jet and wall jet setup. This is for free jet. This is a pitot tube which is connected to a pressure velocity indicator. We have to switch it to velocity, and we have to take down the readings here. This is for free jet, and this is wall jet. When you are doing for free jet, you have to remove wall jet, and after for wall jet we have to fix this. And this is the pressure velocity digital indicator. This is a blower, and this you have to give throttle. Before starting the experiment, the throttle should be on 0 fully. And now here you can see the scale here. So from here there are 2 blue lines. We should match this. This is it. Then one more scale is here for radial. You have to give rotation. 1 point. You have to give 5 mm trial. 5 mm. For each trial we have to give 5 mm. Here the distance in the axial is, you have to calculate this from the nozzle to this pitot tube. This is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter is equal to 50 mm. Okay. So we have to, the 50 mm trial is from this. For 100 mm you have to rotate this. You have to keep back and see the scale, and you can do the second trial and give the rotation here 5 mm each. For one trial, for 50 mm we have to do 5 here, and 100 mm after that we have to keep here 100 mm, we have to give 5 mm here. Okay, this is for pre-jet. And wall jet, from this we are getting the manometer reading here. This is for atmospheric atmospheric. We get the reading H here, delta H, and other 13 tubes we get the values for H. So this is about pre-jet and wall jet. We will conduct the experiment on pre-jet. Now here we have fixed the pitot tube and the nozzle. The pitot tube, it should be in between the nozzle, exactly in between. We have to give 5 mm readings. That time the pitot tube moves upward. Okay. Now we have to take down the reading. Here 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter is equal to 30 mm. The actual direction is 30 mm. We have to note down 30 mm, and it is in the center. Okay. We have removed the wall jet here. We should remove. And for each 5 mm, we have to give rotation here, and we have to check this 5 mm. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to on the switch. Before that, the load should be on 0. And on this, if you on this, you get the pressure and velocity. Switch it to velocity, tear the, and slowly give the throttle. throttle completely, the velocity is decreasing. Then switch off the, after that switch off the main. This is all about free jet. For wall jet, we have to fix the wall here. Thank you. After the free jet, we are going for wall jet. For wall jet, we fix the wall and remove the free jet here. And we should measure the distance here. So this is, check the distance from here to here, here to nozzle 25.5. After that we have to measure the distance from here to here. It is 21.5 here. Then for second one, you can see these holes. You have to fix this, remove this and fix here. It is 7.5. Okay, these two distance. Now we fixed it to second distance. We are doing trial for this, and we have to take down the readings from the multi-tube manometer. And this is for atmospheric. This is open, so we have to take down the value H. This is 210, 215. No, this is 220. We'll take down the value for 220. And this is our still now. We can on the machine. Before that, the throttle should be 0. On the machine. Need not open this. If you open also no problem. We want only this tube manometer. Now start giving the throttle slowly. You have to give full throttle. Slowly you have to give. Down the tube manometer reading. From 1 is from this side, 1 to 13, you have to take down the reading. You can see. From 220, we have to take down the reading here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. We have to take down the reading for all these 13 tubes. After taking down the reading, you have to normal track. For second time, you have to move this to here. You have to fix this here. We are doing it only for one. After that, slow down the throttle. Slowly you have to slow down the throttle. And off the machine. The conduction of the experiment, we obtained the values. We did their axis for 30, but the values we taken here for 50, 100, 150, 200. For 0, the velocity is 45 meter per second. For 5 millimeter we should rotate, we get 44, 10, 15, 20. We get this, and we change the distance from the nozzle to the pitot tube is 100. For 0 to 20 we got so many values, and we have to draw the graph, position versus velocity. We draw only for x is 50 and x is 100, 50 and 100. and the position is for 50. Okay, I have to draw the graph. The values 0 to 20, 0 to 20, and this is the velocity 100. This is x is 50, and scale is x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 mm. This, and 1 centimeter is equal to 5 meter per second. Sorry, this is 10 meter per second. Meter per second. Now here, in the study of wall jet, there should be 2 trials, but we did for 25.5. The one is 7.5 centimeter. We did for the values. This is for 21.5. We got the manometer reading. This was atmospheric, 220 millimeter, and the for 13 tubes we got so many values. And here for delta H we have to minus from this. 220 minus 220 we got 0. 220 minus 223 we got 3. For pressure, P is equal to rho GH. We know the values. 1000 into 9.81 into H. H is this one. Then for velocity, square root of 2 GH, we know the values. We have to calculate this and this. After this, we have to draw the graph, position versus velocity. This is the position. Position is 1 to 13 tubes, and the velocity we get from here, this value. So we get the graph, and finally the result for both free jet and wall jet is experiment has been conducted and the velocity profile graph has been plotted for both free jet and wall jet. Thank you.